Some kitchen gadgets don't just make cooking easier, they completely change the way you use your space. Today, we're exploring 20 Amazon bestsellers that are blowing up for one reason. They solve everyday problems in seconds. Before we dive into the list, hit subscribe, tap the like button, and leave a comment telling us which gadget wins your attention first. And remember, every product you see is linked below in the description. Now let's jump in. A powerful air frying system fits right in your hands, turning everyday meals into crisp, golden creations without taking over your counter. The two clean crisp glass containers let you move from a quick solo dish to a generous family portion with zero clutter. The small cup heats a full plate in minutes, while the larger 4-quart container handles an entire chicken with vegetables, delivering rich aromas and satisfying texture. Non-toxic glass keeps flavors pure, and snap-lock lids guard every recipe during storage or travel. Everything nests neatly, keeping your cabinets calm and orderly. With 4 distinct modes, Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Recrisp, you can revive leftovers or craft fresh dishes with impressive results every time. All of that comes at $159.95, a number that feels surprisingly comfortable for such a complete system. 7-inch tongs that feel precise and sturdy the moment you pick them up. Stainless steel arms and soft silicone tips give you smooth control for salads, toppings, snacks, or small bites during busy meals. They never cling to food, resist high heat, and stay spotless after every wash. A set of 3 keeps your prep clean and organized. You can bring them home for $8.53, a tiny number for daily convenience. A powerful countertop oven that brings true pizzeria flavor straight into your kitchen. The Piezano reaches scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, creating that bubbling cheese and crackling crust you normally only get from a wood-fired shop. A 12-inch ceramic stone absorbs and releases heat evenly, letting every slice bake with rich aromas and a satisfying crunch. No preheating a full oven, no waiting. Just slide your dough in and watch it transform in under 6 minutes. Top and bottom heat controls give you freedom to shape the bake exactly how you like it, while the built-in thermometer helps you track the perfect moment to pull out your creation. The removable stone keeps cleanup simple, and the suction cup base keeps the unit anchored as you work. Plug it in, place it on the counter, and enjoy an experience that feels fun, social, and incredibly rewarding. Right now, the entire Piezano system is available for $89, a number that makes at-home pizza nights feel even more inviting. Perfectly shaped fries begin the moment the lever comes down. The Sopito cutter uses sturdy stainless steel and sharp dual blades to turn whole potatoes into uniform strips with one steady motion. The long handle boosts your leverage, letting dense vegetables move through smoothly. Its roomy box fits large potatoes without trimming, cutting prep time dramatically. Carrots, cucumbers, and sweet potatoes follow with the same crisp precision. Cleanup is quick, and the compact frame keeps storage simple. You can claim that level of control for $49.99, a number that feels genuinely appealing for what it delivers. Hot water on the go becomes effortless with the Mojoco portable kettle. Its compact stainless steel body warms 20 ounces with 4 precise temperature modes, perfect for tea, coffee, or formula. The leak-proof insulated build keeps heat steady while protecting your bag during travel. A clear digital panel shows every setting, giving you full control whether you're in an RV, at the office, or out in the wild. All of that convenience comes for $43.19, a surprisingly inviting number. Fresh garlic turns into a smooth, fragrant paste with one firm squeeze using the CleanForce press. A built-in wiper clears the plate instantly, so nothing sticks or lingers. The hidden cleaning tool lifts out any trapped pieces, keeping the whole process tidy and quick. Durable construction and dishwasher-safe parts make prep feel lighter and faster every day. You can bring it home for $14.99, a pleasantly small investment. Breakfast turns into a fast, hands-off ritual with the MKYSAIL microwave sandwich and waffle maker set. Metal grilling technology paired with focused microwave heat pushes the plates past 260 degrees Celsius in moments, giving bread, waffles, or meats. A golden exterior while keeping the inside soft and flavorful. The detachable silicone wrap protects your hands, concentrates warmth, and helps every bite retain moisture. Putting together waffles, panini, croissants, or quick snacks becomes almost automatic. Place the ingredients inside, slide the press into the microwave, and continue with your morning while it handles the rest. The non-stick surface releases food cleanly, and every piece comes apart for effortless rinsing or a full dishwasher cycle. Durable silicone withstands high temperatures, stays flexible, and shields you from hot metal, making the set perfect for busy kitchens, small apartments, office breaks, or RV trips. It also stores compactly so clutter never builds up on the counter. Right now, the complete two-piece system sits at $37.48, a figure that feels surprisingly inviting for such quick, reliable meals. Fresh herbs and greens thrive right on your counter with the Ahopegarden hydroponic system. A built-in water reservoir, quiet circulation, and full-spectrum lighting create an environment where seeds sprout quickly and grow stronger than they would in soil. 10 pods give you space for a full mix of basil, lettuce, flowers, or small fruits. And the clear window on the tank lets you check the water level instantly. 2 lighting modes, blue for vegetables and red for fruit or blooms, mimic natural daylight while the height-adjustable post lifts as your plants rise toward the lamp. The 16-hour cycle keeps growth steady without any effort from you. Families enjoy watching everything develop day by day, and the compact size fits comfortably in any kitchen without crowding the counter. Right now, the entire setup is priced at $47.49, an inviting amount for year-round indoor harvests. Every pantry feels more organized when ingredients stay protected and easy to access. The airtight lid on this 2-liter container locks firmly on 3 sides, using a silicone seal to guard cereal, rice, flour, or snacks from humidity and odors. Its clear walls let you check contents instantly, while the comfortable grip keeps pouring steady. The enlarged spout releases big grains smoothly, and the measuring cup twists securely on top to preserve flavor between uses. A built-in scale shows food levels at a glance, and the top handle makes moving it around the kitchen or outdoors simple. BPA-free plastic keeps the container durable, lightweight, and ready for constant refills. You can add it to your pantry for $29.89, an amount that feels pleasantly manageable for daily convenience. Ice cravings disappear the moment this compact machine begins its cycle. In just 6 minutes, soft chewable nuggets pour into the removable basket, perfect for iced coffee, smoothies, or anyone who loves munching chilled pellets. A 1.2-quart tank supports steady production, up to 34 pounds each day. So cold, drinks never run out. Even during gatherings or summer trips, the built-in handle and lightweight design make carrying it between the kitchen, RV, or patio effortless. A clear window lets you watch every batch form, while smart alerts signal when the basket is full or the tank needs a refill. Pressing the clean function runs a deep self-wash, and the lift-off top gives you full access for detailed care. Quiet operation and low-energy use keep your space comfortable while it works. Right now, this Nugget ice maker sits at $159.99, a compelling offer for non-stop refreshing ice. Tea breaks feel richer when temperature and flavor are fully under your control. The Aigostar kettle blends thick borosilicate glass with stainless steel to create a clean, safe chamber for loose leaf or bagged blends. The removable infuser lets every leaf open evenly, while the 5 color-coded presets guide you to the exact heat each tea needs. Green for delicate brews, blue for whites, yellow for greens, purple for black teas, and red for coffees or noodles. A powerful 1500-watt base brings water to a boil in minutes, then shuts off automatically once your target temperature is reached. Boil-dry protection keeps the kettle safe, and the Keep Warm mode maintains heat between 85 and 100 degrees Celsius for up to 2 hours. The wide opening simplifies cleaning, and the cordless design allows smooth, steady pouring from any angle. At the moment, you can add this precision kettle to your counter for $39.99, a pleasing amount for daily comfort and perfectly brewed tea. Smooth, even slices come together in seconds with a tool built for soft fruits and cooked ingredients. Stainless steel wires press through eggs, bananas, strawberries, or peeled hot dogs, shaping them into uniform pieces for salads, snacks, or desserts. The oversized frame handles multiple items at once, turning 2 or 3 eggs, or an entire banana, into neat portions with one steady push. Premium aluminum alloy and ABS construction keep the slicer sturdy and comfortable in the hand, while the reinforced wires stay tight through repeated use. Cleanup stays simple since every part is dishwasher safe, and the compact shape tucks away easily in any drawer. Just remember to avoid frozen foods or thick skins to maintain its lifespan. Right now, it's available for $15.99, a small price for effortless prep and clean, consistent cuts. Warm golden donuts appear in minutes with the Dash Express Mini Donut Maker, turning any counter into a tiny bakery. 7 treats bake at once on a fast-heating, double-sided surface that delivers even color and soft texture every time. The non-stick plates release each donut cleanly, making cleanup quick and keeping the fun going with creative toppings or simple classics. Its compact shape slips easily into small kitchens, dorms, or shared spaces, inviting spontaneous dessert moments with friends or family. Right now, it comes in at $21.99, a sweet little number for fresh homemade snacks. Flame-kissed flavor with smart control comes together in the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL grill. Smoke, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate on one generous surface that fits ribs, burgers, whole chickens, or a serious brisket for the entire crew. Real wood pellets add deep color and aroma, while the electric power keeps heat steady and predictable every time. The Pro Connect app links to your phone so you can watch temperature, follow cooking charts, and get alerts when it is time to flip, slice, or serve. 2 built-in thermometers guide different meats to their perfect doneness, from rare to well. Weather-resistant construction means the unit can stay outside all year, ready for game days, balcony nights, or parking lot parties. Right now, this outdoor powerhouse is listed at $499.99, matching its premium performance. Frozen treats take center stage with the Dash Deluxe Shaved Ice and Slushy Maker. Adjustable blades turn ordinary ice into smooth snow for cones, slushies, cocktails, or frosty mocktails, letting you tailor the texture to every craving. The included pitcher makes serving simple, and the recipe guide sparks ideas for parties, summer afternoons, or late-night cravings. Its compact shape rests securely on any counter thanks to suction cup feet, so each batch stays steady while you shave fresh ice for family or friends. Right now, it's priced at $34.99, an inviting number for endless chilled creations. Cold-pressed juice becomes richer and smoother when extraction protects every nutrient. The Larinest slow masticating juicer uses high torque power and low-speed technology to pull flavor and vitamins from fruits and vegetables without heat or foam, creating a vibrant, silky result with impressive yield. A dual chute design speeds up prep. A 4-inch opening takes whole produce, while the smaller chute guides leafy greens or long veggies without pre-cutting. Cleanup stays controlled thanks to the reverse lift function that lets you raise components before disassembly, preventing spills across your counter. Every part rinses easily, and the included brush clears the screen in seconds. The upgraded spiral auger squeezes out up to 95% juice, leaving minimal pulp behind. A leak-free spout stops drips, and the BPA-free build keeps every sip pure. Right now, the juicer is offered at $89.99, a tempting figure for daily fresh blends. Kitchen prep feels smoother when rinsing, draining, and drying all happen in one spot. The blue Ginkgo colander stretches across the sink, keeping food lifted above water while you wash veggies, drain pasta, or let utensils air dry. Evenly spaced holes prevent pieces from slipping through, and the adjustable frame fits most sinks without taking extra space. Heat-resistant, BPA-free plastic makes it safe for daily meals. It currently runs at $15.29, a simple upgrade for everyday prep. Creative fruit prep becomes fun with the Suuker 4-in-1 carving and scooping set. 2 scoop sizes lift clean spheres from watermelon, kiwi, or cantaloupe, while the carving blade shapes playful designs for salads or party platters. Food-grade plastic and stainless steel keep each tool sturdy, safe, and easy to clean. The stackable design snaps together neatly so nothing gets lost and storage stays minimal. Right now, the set is just $7.88, an easy step toward colorful, elegant fruit dishes. Outdoor cooking feels effortless when your grill travels anywhere you do. The VIVOHOME 18-inch charcoal grill folds into a compact shape with lightweight legs and rolling wheels, letting you head to picnics, beaches, campgrounds, or tailgates without bulky gear. Standing upright or leaning neatly against a wall, it stores cleanly and sets up in moments. A sturdy steel frame, adjustable height settings, and heat-resistant enamel coating give the grill impressive durability while maintaining steady warmth for flavorful searing. The glossy lid locks securely for transport, then opens to reveal a dual-layer system with a chrome charcoal grate beneath and a heavy cooking grate above for grilling or holding finished food. Heat-safe handles keep control comfortable, and 2 ventilation openings allow precise airflow adjustments for slow smoking or high-heat grilling. Side panels expand your workspace, complete with 4 hooks that keep utensils within reach while you cook. Cleanup stays quick thanks to removable ashtrays and a coated grate that wipes down easily. Whether roasting, grilling, or even baking outdoors, the design supports a wide range of styles while remaining compact and portable. Right now, the grill is listed at $84.99, a fitting number for dependable outdoor cooking wherever you choose to fire it up. Deep, even flavor reaches every bite with the Ofargo Meat Injector Kit. A 2-ounce stainless barrel and 4 sharp needles push marinades through turkey, brisket, chicken, or pork with smooth pressure control. The threaded design assembles quickly, while the sturdy plunger and silicone seals keep each injection steady and leak-free. After cooking, every piece cleans easily in the dishwasher. Right now, the full kit comes in at $27.99, perfect for bold, juicy results.